Okay, so our topic is differentiate between mass and weight. So, in very first, mass is denoted by the small letter, small m, and weight is denoted by capital letter W. Okay, so this is the basic notation of mass, small m, and weight W. Okay, and mass is defined as the quantity of a matter content. Okay, mass can be defined as the quantity of matter content, or you can say quantity of a matter content is called mass. And weight is defined as the force. This is just a force. You can say weight is also denoted by the F. Okay, so weight and force both are the same things. So the force which attacks towards the center of earth is called weight. As we know, weight can be calculated with the help of formula W equal to mg. It means if we have mass already known, g already known, then we can calculate the value of weight with the formula of W equal to mg. Okay. And secondly, the SI unit of weight is kg. You can see here. And SI unit of weight is Newton. Okay. So as we know already this, and the mass is always constant. Okay, when we go inside universe, any part of the universe, mass always constant. There is no changes in mass. Okay, but in this weight, you can see here, it is not constant. Weight never be constant, because according to the value of g, when the value of g changes, then according to g, the weight also changes. Okay, why? Because as we know, formula weight equal to mg. So when the value of g changes, then according to this g, weight is also changes. When g is increases, weight is also increases, and when the value of g decreases, the weight also decreases. Okay, but in case of mass, it will remains always constant whenever we go in any part of this entire universe. Okay, but this weight always changes. And one next important point is never be zero. Mass never be zero. Okay, in even a small particle, even you can say air or even a dust particle, they have a certain mass. So its mass never be zero. But you can see here, weight may be zero. When W, as we seen here in the formula of W equal to mg, when you put the value of g equal to 0, then weight equals to 0. Okay, so in the case of g equal to 0, when g equal to 0, or in the space, as we know, value of g equal to 0. So when we put the value of g equal to 0, then the weight will be 0. Okay, so these are the basic difference between the mass and weight. Okay, so I am going to summarize it. Mass is a quantity of matter content, and it is the force which attacks towards us. Its unit is kg and its unit is Newton. It is always constant in entire universe, but this is not constant. It will change. It never be zero. Okay, but mass never be zero, but weight can be zero. It is denoted by small m. It is denoted by capital W. Okay, so this much difference between mass and weight.